every one of these videos made from a simple storyboard. Today I'll show you exactly how to create any storyboard and how to turn storyboard into cinematic AI videos using Seedance 2.0 and Gemini Omni Flash. Now, let me show you the exact workflow. I create a master prompt for you. You'll find it in description. Firstly, copy this storyboard image generator prompt and come to ChatGPT and paste this prompt in prompt box and submit. AI will do everything for you. Firstly, select language you prefer. I am taking English. You can take any of this or write language you prefer. Now ChatGPT will ask you any reference image you want to add. You can add any character you want or add your own image. I am not adding anyone, so replying no reference. After this, ChatGPT will suggest 10 cinematic story ideas. You can take anyone from this or write your idea in chat box. I am writing Dragon Ride. You can write whatever in your mind. ChatGPT will develop custom story according to your requirement and ask for visual style. You can pick any style you prefer. I am selecting realistic Hollywood. If 2 responses come, select anyone you prefer. Then AI will finally provide 3 options. You can pick anyone or write your own idea. I am taking option A. After taking your idea, ChatGPT will start generating storyboard image according to our preference. This process may take few minutes. Here, storyboard is ready. Let's see it. How beautiful generation this is. Different movements, dynamic scenes, but consistent character in different actions. Just download it. Then we will need to upload it again to ChatGPT and pick second prompt for my master prompt. Copy the entire second prompt and paste it to ChatGPT and submit. AI will analyze and write a final prompt for video generation for Seedance 2.0 from the storyboard we upload. Now copy this entire prompt and come to Seedance 2.0. I will give the link in description of this website. You will click my link and come directly to this page and upload storyboard image here. Paste that ChatGPT prompt to this prompt box. Select aspect ratio, duration 15 seconds, mode and resolution you want. You can make up to 4K video from this tool and finally click on Generate button. AI will start generating cinematic AI video for us. This will take few minutes. In the meantime, if you have any confusion, you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one. If you don't want to use Seedance 2.0, you can also use Google Veo 3.1 or Gemini Omni Flash. Come back to ChatGPT and ask to rewrite for Veo 3 or ask for Gemini Omni Flash. When you will get your prompt will be ready, copy the prompt and come to Google Flow AI. I will also give the link in description. Come and select New Project. Then paste that copied prompt here and upload that storyboard image. When upload will be completed, click on Add to Prompt button. Now select video, then ingredients, 16:9, 1x, Omni Flash, 10 seconds, and submit. AI will start generating cinematic video according our storyboard. Sometimes it may be failed to generate. Don't worry. Click on this button and submit again. Within few minutes, Gemini will generate our cinematic video. Let's see it. See, this is so cinematic. Storyboard to complete AI video within few minutes. So it was Gemini Omni Flash. Let's see Seedance generation. See, same thing but different result. Seedance 2.0 is simply winner. So, I will give the link of Seedance 2.0 is description for your easy access. Now we will try UGC ad with storyboard. Come back to my master prompt and copy this third prompt fully and come back to ChatGPT and paste that copied prompt. And you will need to add 2 things. Number 1, your own image or any person image, and number 2, your product image or any product image you want. I am selecting a random person and a watch image. and then submit. AI will start generating storyboard. Within few minutes, it will be ready. Let's see it. How beautiful generation this was. Now simply download this image and upload it again here. Then come back to my master prompt and copy fourth prompt completely. And paste that into ChatGPT prompt box and submit it. ChatGPT will provide you a complete ready prompt. In the meantime, if this video helps you, please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Simply copy this prompt and come back to Google Flow and upload that storyboard image at first. And then after upload will be completed, click on Add to Prompt button and paste that copied prompt and must select video, ingredients 16:9, 1x and Omni Flash and 10 seconds and finally submit and wait for a minute to see the final result. Here our video is ready. Let's see it.
Looks perfect on me.
How beautiful generation this was. From a simple storyboard to complete cinematic UGC ad in minutes. For Seedance, you will need to do the same thing in same way. I am showing you another example to make you more clear. Come back again to my master prompt and copy that third prompt again and come to ChatGPT. Uploading one person image and a perfume image. I am telling you again, you can upload any person image and any product image you want. After upload will be completed, then paste the prompt in prompt box and submit. Here, our storyboard image is ready again. How insane generation this was. Simply download it and upload it again to ChatGPT. Now come back to my master prompt again and copy fourth prompt fully and paste that into ChatGPT prompt box and submit. AI will again provide you final video prompt within few seconds. Copy this prompt and coming back to Seedance 2.0 video generator. Upload that storyboard image we got from ChatGPT. Paste that copied prompt. Select aspect ratio, video duration. Finally, click on Generate button and have to wait for final result. Let's do the same thing for Google Flow AI. Uploading the storyboard image first. After upload will be completed, click on Add to Prompt button and paste that ChatGPT video prompt. Keep previous settings here and finally Submit button. Here, Gemini result is ready. Let's see it.
This smells so lovely.
This generation was also satisfactory. Let's check Seedance 2.0 generation. Here is the final result from Seedance 2.0.
This smells so lovely.
So, you are now master in Storyboard to cinematic AI video generation. But everything is in this master prompt. You will find all necessary links in description. I request to my Seedance 2.0 link to start use of Seedance if you don't have access yet. And if you find my video helpful, please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.